Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, December 29th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. 2 days to go in the trading year. Bears trying to push this market as low as possible, especially in the tech sector, as they want to start off fresh as low as they can get, I would think. Right now, with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening. Now, we did not have a double distribution in ES. SPY had one by one little tick. We've been trading mostly, as you can see, in L&M's range from yesterday. We did go out with a price probe. I didn't use L's low simply because I like to use 50 cents or more from the previous low or high of the day to use that time frame as a nice base for a price probe. So it was close, but it didn't get there. Right now, though, regardless, we're trading way above it with 75 minutes to go. We do have a wide overnight POC down below in ES. H's high will be very important for both of us. Afternoon rally high in ES, that's the upper end of the lower distribution for SPY. Triple Qs did not have a trend day. H's high also was an afternoon rally high for them. And the Russell did have a trend day, much larger set of single prints than SPY had. So again, that's their focus to come out of the lower distribution. Yesterday's volume was very light, which put SPY just under 95 million for the first time all year as an average. But again, if we can get the range and volume that we had this year going forward, we cannot complain. We've had spectacular range the entire year, and the volume has been good, a good part of it. As far as the game plan this morning, well, again, we are in balance. Okay, Thursday's low is my balance. So today we'll start the fifth day of the balance. Here's the previous 4 days, right? We had an inside day down that actually proved to be very good for the sellers. Took to the afternoon, but it worked. So, do we come out of this balance prior to tomorrow? For that to happen, we'd have to take out Thursday's low. We have failed at the top of the balance basically the last 2 days. We're in kind of the lower range from yesterday. So obviously, to have any hope of coming out of the balance to the upside, we got to get above H's high, first and foremost, right? Right now, we're in balance in value, the worst of your risk rewards. Depending on where the overnight high is, which right now we're not too far away from, if you're able to get that as a bull, that would put something in the bull's checklist column, and then maybe they can get H's high. But I'd still probably look to short H's high the first time. Any acceptance above that, then I'd be out. On the flip side, if we were to pull back, can you take a long against the wide overnight POC? You can, but again, I'd be out probably below L's low, not even M's low, because where there were sellers there yesterday, right now there aren't there. So you want to defend that. Any acceptance below L's low, you will take out yesterday's low and most likely test the bottom of our balance. Again, these are all early plays. And then quickly on the chart, and tomorrow we'll be recapping the day, the week, the month, the year, going into 2023. On the chart, again, nothing could change until the daily changes. It's a 4-day balance. Look at the 20 starting to curl back towards the 50. Okay? Each time we've done that this year, well, this is only from the spring, but we did it here. We made new lows. We did it here. We made new lows. Now, I'm not saying we're going to make new lows. However, we are starting to get towards it. Maybe we make new lows next year, early in the first quarter, if that trend is to continue. Remember, our cycle of lower highs has lasted the entire year on the bigger time frames, the monthly and the weekly. The daily, we broke it briefly, as you can see, back on December 13th. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.